Hey fellow travelers! Welcome to another incredible journey with FlightPath Explorer. Today, we're taking you on a spectacular flight from Dubai to London via Emirates A380. But this isn't just any ordinary trip. We're about to witness some of the most breathtaking cityscapes Europe has to offer. Our adventure begins at Dubai International Airport, a destination in itself. As we board the magnificent Emirates Airbus, a 380 from Gate A2, the anticipation builds. This isn't just a flight, it's a visual feast waiting to unfold. Use the internal airport train to navigate seamlessly between terminals. It's like a mini adventure before your actual journey. As we lift off from Dubai, watch the incredible cityscape disappear beneath
us. At this time, you are free to drag out those larger electronic chips still for takeoff. This aircraft is Wi-Fi enabled. If you have an electronic device that's capable of Wi-Fi, simply log on to the internet using your browser and follow the prompts.
Dubai is home to the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, standing at a jaw-dropping 828 meters, 2,717 feet. It's so tall that you can actually watch the sunset twice. First glimpse, Bahrain. As we soar through the skies, catch a breathtaking view of this tiny island nation. Bahrain is the only island country in the Arab world, and it's been a crucial pearl trading center for centuries before discovering its massive oil reserves. We are now flying through Kuwait. Kuwait City has one of the world's most distinctive skylines. With its modern architecture rising from the desert like a mirage. The country is so flat that the highest point is just 306 meters above sea level.
Takeoff. This aircraft is Wi-Fi enabled. If you have an electronic device that's capable of Wi-Fi, simply log on to the internet using your browser and follow the prompts.
We are now entering European airspace, gliding just beneath the clouds over the mysterious Black Sea. A quick glimpse of Bucharest, Romania's vibrant capital. Bucharest is nicknamed the Paris of the East due to its elegant architecture and wide tree-lined boulevards. It's home to the massive Palace of the Parliament, the world's largest civilian building. Approaching the Bavarian capital Munich with its rich history and modern charm. Munich is the birthplace of Oktoberfest and home to BMW's headquarters. The city seamlessly blends medieval architecture with cutting-edge technology. final approach, London Heathrow landing at one of the world's busiest and most iconic airports. London Heathrow handles around 80 million passengers annually and has 5 terminals covering an area larger than Monaco. And there you have it, travel lovers. A journey that's so much more than just a flight. From the golden deserts of Dubai to the historic landscapes of Europe, we've crossed continents, witnessed incredible cityscapes, and experienced the magic of travel. Remember, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, share your most memorable flight experiences in the comments. Travel is about the journey, not just the destination. Keep exploring,